Welcome back to Governese Word of the Day, where we decode the jargon of federal operations. Today's term is diacap. That's D-I-A-C-A-P. Diacap stands for the DoD Information Assurance Certification and Accreditation process. This was the Department of Defense's standardized method for making sure information systems were secure before they went live. Under diacap, every system had to be certified for information assurance and then accredited for use, ensuring that sensitive military and defense data remained protected. While diacap has been replaced by the newer risk management framework, the term remains a recognizable part of defense contracting and cybersecurity vocabulary. That's today's word in government speak. Diacap. Proof that in the federal world, even information security comes with its own acronym. To learn more about growing your business in the government marketplace, visit www.govcon.community. That's all for today's Governese Word of the Day. Stay tuned for more insider terms from the world of government operations. Join us next time for another Governese Word of the Day.